PeopleSoft Payables now offers an Insights dashboard for match exceptions analytics. This dashboard provides analytics summarized by voucher and at the detail exception level. If the Match Exceptions Collaboration Center is installed, additional insights are available to track exceptions by assignment and status to improve resolution time. Below the Match Exceptions Filters section, you see the overall number of vouchers with exceptions and the total number of exceptions based on the criteria selected. It also displays the total invoice amount impacted by the match exceptions. The amounts are shown in the reporting currency specified. The match exception aging visualizations provide a tabular and graphical view depicting the aging of match exceptions, along with the gross amount and number of vouchers for each aging category. Top Suppliers with Match Exceptions depicts the top suppliers having match exceptions based on the gross amount of the vouchers with exceptions. You can view exceptions by match rule based on the number of vouchers and the gross amount of the vouchers. This provides a view into the more offending match rules that cause exceptions. You can see the full list of vouchers with exceptions, ordered by gross invoice amount, and select individual vouchers to view it on the voucher page. You can reorder the list by any column by clicking the arrows next to the column label. The bottom half of the dashboard is for organizations that are using Match Exceptions Collaboration Center, or MECC. In this section of the dashboard, you can see the unresolved exceptions by assigned resource, assigned group, no resource assignment, and no group assignment. If MECC is not installed, then these visualizations do not show any data. The unresolved exceptions with a resolution code visualization displays match exceptions that have a resolution code but are still assigned to a resource. These exceptions most likely need to be closed. The unresolved exception status analytics displays the number of exceptions by status. The goal should be to have few, if any, unassigned exceptions. This data is only available if MECC is installed. All match exception details can be reviewed in the Transaction Details listing. You can also navigate to the match exception page using the MECC link. The remaining two insights depict resolved exceptions by assignment and resolution. With these in-application data visualizations, users can see and analyze match exceptions without impacting system performance. For more information, go to PeopleSoftInfo.com.